All right, so compound interest is a common way. There are lots of places where exponential functions are being used, but compound interest is one of the most common ways you're going to see it affect your life. So what you need to know is when it comes to compound interest, we use the equation A equals P times 1 plus R divided by N, close your parentheses, to the N times T. So things you need to know. A is our amount. P is the principal amount, the initial deposit, principal. R is our rate as a decimal. N is over what number of times it's compounded a year. So is it compounded quarterly, which means 4 times? Is it compounded annually, which is just once? Is it compounded biannually, meaning twice? So N is the number, no, not next, number of times compounded. And what that means is how often is it figured out so that we can find the number for the entire year type of thing. All right, and then T is our time in years. And that in years is important. So, in this case, suppose that when your friend was born, your friend's parents deposited $2,000. So we know that that is P. P is $2,000. In an account paying 4.5 interest. So our rate is 4.5%, which is equal to 0.045. Compounded quarterly. So N is going to be 4 because it's compounded 4 times a year. And T, what will the account balance be after 18 years? So 18 is our time. And from here, we just plug in. So A will equal 2,000 times 1 plus, our rate is 0.045 divided by 4 to the 4 times 18. And so then we're just going to keep simplifying this. I'm going to start by taking 0.045 and dividing by 4, and then I'm going to take divided by 4. I'm going to take that number and add it to my 1, so plus 1. And so I'm going to end up with, there's my 2,000 times 1.01125 to the, and then 4 times 18, which is 72. So now I'm going to take that 1.01125. I'm going to take that to the 72nd power. And then I am going to times that by 2,000. So we end up with approximately $4,475.53 after 18 years. That's how much that compounded annually without his parents continuing to add money in there. That's what this is figuring out. And that's compound interest. Next video, we're going to talk about decay. So see you there, 8th grade.